Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Jen, Drinking with Gina. Today you will be cooking with Jen, and hey, it's Taco Tuesday. All right, I'm so excited. Aren't you excited? Who does not love Taco Tuesday? It's so good. I've got a good one for you guys today. This is my husband's favorite. We call this sweet heat bonfire shrimp street tacos. Yup. That's right. So good. You're going to love it. They're delish. We've got this amazing aioli sauce that my husband made. It's so good. We're going to get started with all these ingredients, so let's get to that. We will be using 1 pound of cooked, peeled, and deveined shrimp. For frying, vegetable oil and cornstarch. For your shrimp sauce, you will need sweet chili sauce, mayo, and sriracha. For your aioli sauce, you will need mayo, honey, avocado oil, white onion, garlic, and jalapeno. For your toppings, street taco shells, shredded cheese, lettuce, and green onions. Any questions about these ingredients, they will be listed in the description below. Okay, so let's begin by starting off making the sauces for our tacos before we fry the shrimp. I'm going to begin with the shrimp sauce, and then I'm going to move on to the aioli. All right, let's get going. You're going to be needing your sriracha, your sweet chili, and your mayo. So I'm going to get this in the bowl, and I'm going to show you guys how to make that. So let's begin with using a ½ cup of mayonnaise. Next, I will be adding 1/4 cup of sweet chili sauce. Then I will be adding about 3 dashes of sriracha, but for those who like it spicy, go ahead and use it liberally. Then give it a nice good whisk. Okay, so the sauce mix that we made, we're going to place in a large bowl. This way we can toss our shrimp around into the sauce. Okay, so now that you've seen that beautiful shrimp sauce and how easy it is to make, let's get on to that aioli. Starters, you are going to need a blender of some sort, any type, something to blend this up. We're going to be using honey, avocado oil, so delicious, very smooth, mayo. Then this is where we have our onion, our garlic, and our jalapeno. I'm going to mix all that together. Let's get started. Okay, so let's begin by adding in 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Then I will be adding 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Next, I will be adding 2 tablespoons of that delicious honey. So here I will be adding 2 cloves of garlic. Then I will be also adding a ½ of a jalapeno. Make sure to include the membrane and seeds. Next, I will be using a ½ cup of white onion. Now you want to make sure you blend it up until it's nice and smooth. Now go ahead and pour it in a bowl, and we're going to set aside until later. You hear those? That's the hot oil popping. All right, so what you're going to want to do, if you have a deep fryer, great. If not, grab a pan with some oil and heat it to about 375. We're going to start coating our shrimp. Woo, it's going to get me. We're going to put about a ½ cup of cornstarch in our bowl, coat your shrimp with it, and then drop it like it's hot. Okay, so let's place a ½ cup of cornstarch in a bowl. Then I will be using only half of my shrimp to start, get them nice and coated, and then we're going to drop them in the fryer. So I recommend for about 1 minute or until nicely golden brown. Then transfer to a paper towel to drain. Okay, so now these look great. They're nice, crispy, golden brown. I'm letting them drain on the paper towel. Now I'm going to take our sauce mixture from earlier. I'm gonna dump the shrimp in here, just lightly toss it, and then put it on a platter, and then we're gonna make them tacos. So now they're nice and coated. Looks great. We're gonna go ahead and transfer it back into this dish, and we're gonna serve it up. Okay, so let's street taco-fy these shrimp. Throw down your aioli sauce, throw on that shrimp, add your favorite toppings, and voila, these are going to be delicious. So once you've got all your toppings, I suggest throwing on a little more aioli sauce, and for those who like it spicier, add some more sriracha. Okay, so look at these beauties. They look so good. So excited to start eating these. Can hardly wait. I love tacos. All right, guys, taste time, my favorite part. I don't know which one. I think I'm gonna have them all. I'm not sharing. So good. I might have gotten a little carried away with the sriracha, but you know what? I love it. Those are so good. The flavors together with both sauces, I love it. It's delicious. I hope you guys try these out. I hope you make them. I hope you love them just as much as we do. Take pictures, tell us what you think, tag us in it, leave your comments. I'm very excited to hear what you guys, the feedback on these. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends and family. And also head over to Facebook and Instagram and check out the Jen and Gina show. You can also take pictures and tag us on there. We would love to see you guys. Don't forget to check out my next video. See you guys soon. Okay guys, so if you enjoyed this recipe and you want to keep cooking, go ahead and click the button right here with Jen. If you want to start drinking, go see my girl Gina and click the button here. If you haven't yet already subscribed, that's okay. Just click the button right here. See you guys soon.